Hey guys, so this is one of my accounts again, right? On the Peritia platform. So I'll be showing you how to perform your tax, right? So what you need to do is to come over to where you see PRT earning. Then you click on PRT earning here. You wait for it to load. Once it loads, right, you come to this first one where you see Peritia ebooks, right? Click on read more. Once you click on read more, you scroll down, right? Scroll down to where you see click to earn. Click on this click to earn first. Once that is done, you now come to click here to like and earn on TikTok. Like touch it. Once you touch it, wait for your TikTok to load.
I hope you've heard it.
Once it loads, right, you like the video that have been posted. Once you like the video that have been posted, you minimize again and come back. Right? Once that is done, you can click on this Instagram on. Click on this Instagram on. Wait for it to load. Once it opens, you click on you like it, right? You can see over 10,353 likes. So over 10,000 persons are already on this platform, right? So once that is done, you minimize and come back. Then do click on this click to earn again so that it will record your points. Then when you're done, you come back to dashboard. Once you come back to dashboard, it should show. I don't know if you saw initially I had 4 PRT, right? Now I have 5 PRT. Yeah, right? So that is how to earn $1. So this PRT is $1, right? Once you accumulate up to 35 PRT, which is $35, you can withdraw from PRT. But then if you want to earn quick, right? To earn quick and higher is through referrals, where you get about $4.1, right, per person you refer to this particular platform, right? So that is how you can actually make money on the Peritia platform, and they have 2 withdrawal times, which is on Wednesday and on Sundays by 5 p.m. to between 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Right, so that is it. Then again, if you also want to earn on this particular platform, you can see here it's showing here recent activities. You have earned 1 PRT for sponsored posts, right? So once that is done, you see it here. Then another way to earn here is when you click on this TikTok challenge. Just click on join here. You click on join, you see, did you know you can have the chance to earn $4 daily through the Peritia daily TikTok challenge? So here's how to take part. Sign up on Peritia, create a unique video about Peritia, our skills, ebooks, etc. to benefit all members. Ensure that you tag us on TikTok, right, which is official Peritia. Once you comment on your video that you have won the challenge for the day, chat within a vendor and provide screenshot of our comments on your video. So once that is done, you receive an instant payment of $4 or request to have it added to your earning balance, whichever one you want, right? So that's an extra way to make money from the Peritia platform. Another way is the Instagram challenge too. This one pays higher than the TikTok. For TikTok, you get paid $4 daily. Then for Instagram, you get paid $10 weekly price, right? So you get $10 to join Peritia. So you have to join to join the Instagram challenge, join Peritia, generate a compelling content about Peritia, our skills ebook, sales commission, etc. Share and mention official Peritia on Instagram. When posting, invite us as a collaborator on that video. Upon liking your content, we accept the invitation for the week. Note, the content with the highest likes, views among accepted entries wins the weekly $10, right? So once you're able to do this, right, you get more payments on the Peritia platform, right? So thank you very much. Then another very important thing I want to show you here is just look at this part that is moving here, total second gen spiel. Let me scroll to where you see so here is my paid earnings on this particular account, $16, right? You see all referrals 8 on this particular account. Then you see indirect referral. This is when the person you refer refers another person, you get paid, right? Commission for that person that was referred. You can see here you have been credited $0.2 from Miracle Great referred by Prosby. So once your referral refers another person, you get paid $0.2, right? Which is 200 naira, right? For every second generation referral. So that's it for now.